how to find this week's events on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find this week's events on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down and you will find this one here, events. Click on it and then here you will find this week, and just one click, and as you see here you can find this week's events on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.